Hey, do you think robots are going to take over our jobs? Will robots and computers take over the work that people do? It sounds like something from a movie, but it's actually something we need to think about right now. Technology, especially artificial intelligence, AI, and automation, is changing how we work faster than ever before. Some jobs might disappear, but new ones will come too. So, let's find out together what the future of work looks like. The changing landscape of work. Work is changing a lot these days. It's not just about where we work, like in offices or from home, but it's also about what kind of jobs we'll have in the future and the skills we'll need. Some jobs that people do today might not be needed in the future because computers and robots are getting smarter and can do these jobs using something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short, and automation. The World Economic Forum, which is a group that thinks about the future of our world, has made a big prediction. They say that by the year 2025, which is not too far away, 85 million jobs around the world might disappear because of AI and automation. That sounds scary, right? But it's not all bad news because they also say that these changes will create 97 million new jobs. These new jobs will be different and will need different kinds of skills like knowing how to work with AI or being good at solving complex problems that robots can't solve. So, even though some jobs might go away, there will be new opportunities for people who are ready to learn new things and adapt. It's like when we learn to play a new game or start a new grade at school. We might not know how to do it right away, but with practice and learning, we get better and better. The future of work is about being flexible and ready to keep learning new things so we can work alongside robots and computers, not be replaced by them. The double-edged sword of AI or artificial intelligence, is like a tool that can do things we used to think only humans could do. For example, AI can write stories or code software, which means it can write computer programs. This ability of AI to do human jobs is exciting, but also a bit worrying. It's like having a robot that can do your homework. It's cool. But what if it starts doing everyone's homework? Then, what will the students do? Even though AI can take over some jobs, it's important to remember that it also creates new kinds of jobs that never existed before. One of these new jobs is being an AI engineer. An AI engineer works on making AI better and figuring out new ways to use it. So, while AI might take away some old jobs, it's also making room for new jobs that are all about building and improving AI itself. This situation with AI is like a double-edged sword, which means it has both good and bad sides. It takes away some jobs but also creates new opportunities for people who learn how to work with it. That's why understanding AI and learning how to use it can be very valuable for our future. Understanding the workforce matrix. Imagine we have a chart called the workforce matrix that helps us understand how jobs might be affected by AI or artificial intelligence. On this chart, we have two lines that cross in the middle, kind of like a big plus sign. One line goes from left to right, and we call this the x-axis. On this line, we measure how much skill a job needs, from less skilled on the left to more skilled on the right. The other line goes from bottom to top, and this is the y-axis. On this line, we measure how likely it is that AI can do the job instead of a human, from less likely at the bottom to more likely at the top. This chart is split into 4 parts, which we call quadrants. 1. Low skill, low replaceability, safe jobs for now. These jobs don't need a lot of special skills and AI isn't ready to take them over yet. For example, jobs like gardening or plumbing are here because they require human hands and decision-making. 2. Low skill, high replaceability, jobs at risk. These jobs are also not very skilled, but AI can easily do them. Jobs like typing up data or scanning barcodes at a store are at risk because computers can handle repetitive tasks like these. 3. High skill, high replaceability, skilled jobs that AI targets. These are jobs that need a lot of skills, like writing software. Even though these jobs are complex, AI is getting good at doing them, which means these roles are targeted by AI. 4. High skill, low replaceability, future-proof jobs. These jobs need lots of skills and are tough for AI to take over. Jobs that need deep thinking and human interaction, like being a judge or a scientist, are here because AI can't yet understand people or make complex decisions like humans. Real-world impact and examples. In the real world, many big technology companies are finding that they can make more money and do their work even better by using AI, instead of having a lot of employees. This is because AI can do some jobs faster and sometimes even better than people, especially when it comes to handling data or doing repetitive tasks. For example, companies like Meta, Google, and Microsoft have shown that even after they have fewer people working for them, they are still very successful and make a lot of money. Meta, which used to be called Facebook, and Google are famous for their smart software that helps people connect with friends or find information on the internet. Microsoft makes software that lots of people and businesses use every day. All these companies have used AI to help them work more efficiently. This means they need fewer people, but they can still do a lot of work and earn lots of money. By using AI, these companies have been able to focus on creating new products and improving the ones they already have, which helps them stay ahead in the business world. Here's the section, Future-Proofing Your Career, written in simple, 6th grade English. Future-proofing your career. As the world of work changes because of AI, or artificial intelligence, it's important to know how you can keep your job safe and even find new opportunities. Here are some tips on how you can make sure your career stays strong no matter what changes come. 1. Embrace AI as a tool, not a threat. Think of AI like a helper, not an enemy. Just like a calculator helps us solve math problems faster, AI can help us do our jobs better and quicker. This can be anything from sorting information to organizing schedules. When you use AI as a tool, you can do more interesting work and let AI handle the boring stuff. 2. Keep learning and adapting. The most important thing you can do is to never stop learning. Technology changes fast, and the best way to stay ahead is to keep up with new technologies. This could mean taking classes, watching tutorials online, or even playing with new software. The more you learn, the better you'll be at using technology to your advantage. 3. Focus on skills that AI can't copy. AI is good at a lot of things, but there are some things it can't do like a human. Skills like being creative, solving new problems, and working well with others are really valuable because AI struggles with these. For example, while AI can write a basic story, it can't come up with creative ideas or understand feelings the way people do. By getting better at these skills, you make sure that you're always going to be needed, no matter how smart robots become. How to stay ahead. To stay ahead in a world where AI or artificial intelligence is everywhere, we need to think of AI as a helpful tool, not something that will replace us. AI can do a lot of the routine tasks that take up our time, like sorting emails or scheduling meetings. By letting AI handle these simple jobs, we can spend more time on harder tasks that need human thinking and creativity. Learning to use AI to do these basic tasks is very important. It's like having a smart assistant who never gets tired. This helps us do our work better and faster, and gives us more time to focus on the really interesting parts of our jobs. For example, a writer can use AI to check grammar and spelling quickly, so they can spend more time coming up with great ideas for their stories. It's also good to keep learning new things about how AI works and how it can help us. There are lots of online courses and videos that can teach us how to use AI tools in our work. The better we understand and use AI, the more valuable we become in our jobs, because we can do things that AI alone cannot do. This is how we stay ahead in the future of work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to thrive in a tech-driven world. See you next time.